When it comes to enhancing your home in Bethesda, few upgrades can offer as much value as installing energy-efficient windows. Whether you are looking to reduce your energy bills, increase comfort, or boost the curb appeal of your property, energy-efficient windows provide a solution that makes both economic and environmental sense. Here's how upgrading to energy-efficient windows can transform your Bethesda home. Lower energy bills year-round. One of the most compelling reasons to invest in energy-efficient windows is the immediate and long-term savings on your energy bills. In a climate like Bethesda's, which experiences hot summers and cold winters, traditional windows can contribute to significant heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. This forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder, increasing energy consumption and utility costs. Energy-efficient windows are designed with features like double or triple glazing, low emissivity, low E coatings, and gas fills between panes. These elements work together to create a barrier that reduces the transfer of heat, keeping your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer. As a result, your HVAC system will operate less frequently, reducing energy usage and saving you money in the process. Enhanced comfort, drafts and temperature fluctuations can be a real issue in homes with older, single-pane windows. When air leaks through gaps around windows, it can create uncomfortable hot or cold spots throughout your home. Energy-efficient windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature by sealing out the elements. This translates into a more comfortable living environment year-round, whether you're relaxing on your couch during a cold winter day or entertaining guests during the sweltering summer heat. Additionally, these windows reduce condensation, which can be a nuisance on colder mornings. Less condensation also means reduced chances of mold or mildew, improving indoor air quality and overall health. Increase your property's value. A home that is energy efficient is an attractive selling point, especially in a market like Bethesda, where buyers are increasingly looking for homes that are environmentally friendly and cost-effective. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you not only enhance your living experience but also increase the overall value of your property. Potential buyers are drawn to homes that will save them money over time. In fact, many home appraisers now consider energy-efficient features when determining the value of a property. Therefore, installing high-performance windows could help your property stand out in a competitive real estate market. Reduce your carbon footprint. In addition to the financial and comfort benefits, energy-efficient windows can play a significant role in reducing your environmental impact. By cutting down on energy consumption, you're using less fossil fuel for heating and cooling, which in turn helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions. This means that your home will be contributing less to climate change while providing you with the comfort and efficiency you desire. Making your home more sustainable with energy-efficient windows is an easy and effective way to support a greener future, and it's a small change that can have a big environmental impact. Improve aesthetics and curb appeal. Energy-efficient windows come in a wide variety of styles, sizes, and finishes to suit any architectural design. Whether your Bethesda property is a charming historic home or a modern townhouse, you can find energy-efficient windows that enhance the look of your home while offering superior performance. These windows can even improve the curb appeal of your home, giving it a fresh, updated look that will impress visitors and potential buyers alike. Many energy-efficient windows come with advanced technologies that allow for sleek, modern frames that allow more light to enter the home, brightening up your interiors. Long-term durability and low-maintenance energy-efficient windows are built to last, offering long-term durability and low maintenance. Made from high-quality materials such as fiberglass, vinyl, and advanced composite frames, these windows are designed to resist wear and tear from the elements. Unlike traditional wood windows, which may rot, warp, or require frequent painting, energy-efficient windows are low maintenance and easy to clean. With the right installation, these windows can last for decades, providing a reliable and sustainable solution for your home. Plus, many come with extended warranties, ensuring peace of mind for years to come. Conclusion: transforming your Bethesda property with energy-efficient windows is one of the best investments you can make, both for your wallet and the environment. With benefits like reduced energy costs, enhanced comfort, increased property value, and a smaller carbon footprint, upgrading your windows is a smart decision for homeowners looking to improve their home's efficiency and aesthetics. Whether you're aiming to create a more comfortable living space or increase your property's appeal, energy-efficient windows are an essential part of making your home a more sustainable, stylish, and enjoyable place to live.